Good afternoon, all. Camelback Trading coming to this Thursday afternoon, August 10th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. So this has been schizophrenic week. We closed basically unchanged from yesterday. For the week, we're only down $1. With all this price movement and everything else, you would think we were up or down $30 this week, but not the case. Good range today, exactly $7 in SPY, exactly $7. We're going to be doing at least 90 million on the day. The righty closes with an outside day down. They took out both sides of the overnight. They took out yesterday's high, yesterday's low, and closed below it. We had that opportunity to have an outside day down, but we didn't. We both took out ES and NQ took out yesterday's high and low, but closed back inside of yesterday's range. Very, very weird day. The market opened imbalance in value and immediately shot up. I had a really good day today, and I gave back 16 points in J period, which was my last trade of the day. And I'll go over that one, why I took that trade and what I thought might happen. Did very well from the long side in A and B. I mean, smacked them all over the place with longs in A and B period. Even in C period, I did well on some longs at some visual areas. Then I shorted D, thinking that we were going to take out C's low, which we did. Then I long D, thinking that we wouldn't take out the IB low right away. Did well on that. So I was doing very well. And again, in E period, when we made a new low, I wasn't expecting to go trend. Now, I did okay on it, but believe it or not, we did go trend. Now, two trades I did miss today was E period. I missed E period. I was looking for it against the overnight high, and because we were one-time framing, just got a little picky and didn't take it. That was a big miss. And then again in G. So after I made some money on that long in E, I didn't do anything in F. But when G went up, I was like, I figured they would fill the single prints. We left one tick, literally one tick in ES and 2 cents in SPY of single prints. And I was looking to short it because I figured they would try to lower volume POC and TPO. Well, obviously they didn't fill the singles, didn't take the short, and then we rolled over. Now, I did make small in I on shorts. Now, the one I got hurt on, I took it in I later. SPY, remember, I said SPY never filled its gap. Didn't even get into it yesterday. I'm like, you know what? We're holding one little tiny tick of single prints. That's a nuance. H period never got to E's low to go 4 wide. That's a nuance. And then we started with a triple distribution day in J period. I'm like, maybe we're going to get some more legs now. Well, that didn't turn out to be the case. I was short 2, gave back 16, still made 40 points on the day. Not a big deal. And that was it. After that, I just watched the action. They ended up kind of being weird B shapes for long liquidation today when you look at them, right? All of us, right? Kind of a B shape if you were to put it together. So NQ, righty goes out with an outside day down and an afternoon rally high in K. NQ goes out with an afternoon rally high in G. We go out with a trend day in G, one tick. So 2 separate days we treat this tomorrow. We're imbalanced on the daily. The buyers did accomplish that by taking out yesterday's high, even though we took out yesterday's low also. I will call it a 7-day balance. Today's low is the low of it. As far as destinations, so in SPY, we have the single prints, 447.96 to 97, 2 cents. Today's high of 451.70. For the downside, we have today's low of 444.70 in SPY, and then filling the gap at 442.97. So it's now a 176-point gap from July 12th. They took it out by about 16 cents or so. In ES, we have today's low of 73.50, and then a price probe at 65.25 from July 11th to the downside. And our upside is single print 06.50, today's high of 44.75. And then on the chart, again, tomorrow we'll recap all three of these indices charts. So here's the daily. We're below the 20. We're above the 50. Ugly looking bar today. 7-day balance, right? August 2nd is the high of it. Today is the low of it. And the balance is 453.52 to 444.70. So just under a $9 balance. The monthly is up. The weekly is down. The daily is in a $9 7-day balance. Hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. And we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.